Hello grade 4. Today we are going to learn chapter 1 lesson 1.4 round numbers. Our learning objective is round a whole number to any place. When we say round number to any place, it might be by tens, hundreds, or thousand. We need to know what is the meaning of rounding. What is rounding? Rounding means making a number simpler but keeping its value close to what it was. For example, 94 rounded to the nearest 10 is 90 because 94 is closer to 90 than to 100. Rounding numbers help you solve everyday problems where you don't need an exact answer. That is also called an estimate. In rounding numbers, there are rules that we need to follow. Here's the general rule for rounding. Number 1. If the number you are rounding is followed by 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, round the number up. For example, 38 rounded to the nearest 10 is 40. 38 which end with 8 rounded to the nearest 10 is 40 because the rule says that if your number followed by 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, it will round the number up. Number 2. If the number you are rounding is followed by 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, round the number down. For example, 33 rounded to the nearest 10 is 30 because 33 end with 3, which the rule says number followed by 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, round the number down. Now we will try with the big numbers. In this slide, you can see a number lines which has 100,000 and 200,000. But if you notice in the middle, 150,000 is written. That is called the halfway point of the number line, which means that is the middle or the center. And 138,202 is before the halfway. So that means 138,202 is closer to 100,000 than 200,000. In this slide, we will know what is halfway point is and how we can use it. Question number 1. How can you use the halfway point to describe whether numbers are closer to the lesser or the greater rounding numbers? Numbers to the left of the halfway point are closer to the lesser rounding number, while numbers to the right of the halfway point are closer to the greater rounding number. What is halfway point is? Halfway point is the midpoint between the 2 points. Here are the examples of halfway point. 150 is between 100 and 200. So 150 is the halfway point of 100 and 200. The same as 250 is between 200 and 300. So 250 is the halfway point of 200 and 300. The same as with 350, 450, and 550. So if you are rounding numbers and the number is on the halfway point or after, then you will round that number up. But if the number is before the halfway point, then you round the number down.